Hello friends, welcome to Embedded Board. Today I am going to discuss how to pass a structure to a function in C. So there are two ways to pass a structure. In video I am not going to discuss what is structure. The first way to pass a structure is by passing the value. So passing by value. And second is by the reference. Both I am going to discuss in this video, so watch complete video to understand the concept. Let us first talk about pass by value. For this I will write the code. First define a structure. So to pass by value, we have to define a structure, struct, and the defining to the structure start with the struct, and I am giving a name here, practice. You can give any name to the structure, and then I am defining two member of this structure. First is int value and the second is char ch. It will hold the integer value first one, and the second one will hold the character value. Now we're closing this, and now I'm coming to define a function where we will going to call this structure and printing the values of both the members. So let's define it. First I will use void, and the function name I will give text function and the test function, and here I'm passing the structure. So for this I have used the struct keyword and the practice, the structure which have we made, and give a object name p. Here we give the prototype of the function void test function. Now I will give the definition for this function. So let's come down to the main function and then giving the definition. Printf %d. First we are going to print the integer value. So here is integer value p dot value, and the second one printf character value to %c we will use and m and p dot ch. So here in the function we will going to print both the values we will assign in the main function. So now we have defined a function with a test name text function, and we have passed the structure. We have make a parameter. We can say that we have defined a parameter with the structure, and in the main function, in the function I have just print both the values. Now let's comes to the main function. In the main function we will first make an object for our upper structure. So make the object struct practice, and pt is the object name. Now we will gives the value to that. So first value I am giving that 10 and a are the values for the our structure members. Now let's call the function text function. Now I am going to pass the structure by the value here, and I will write only pt. pt is the object for the structure practice, and now we are passing the structure practice to the function by calling by values. It will pass both the values of 10 and a, and now let's see the result for our first method. Now let's run our code. Okay, you can see on our output screen 10 and a. It both printed on the screen. Now let's talk to the second way, pass the structure. So video going to be a long, so watch a complete video to make understand both the concept. And they are a very important concept. They are asked in the interviews, and it will also help in writing code when you are using a structure somewhere else. It is a part where we have used call by value. Now comes to the second part by reference. So for reference, all the things are going to be same. The change here is comes to the in the parameter of the function. Here we have make a pointer to the structure. Simply, by using the pointer, we can pass only the reference value. You have seen in our function videos also. So yeah, here I have make the parameter function pointer in the function, and both all the remaining things will remain same. The same thing we will done for the same, and but only the change is that we will pass the address to the function of the structure practice pt, and then we have passed the structure. Now comes to the text function. We have to make some changes. The changes is that we're going to use dot p. We're going to use a arrow to print the value. So here is the arrow. Now you can run our code again second time. Only the changes to we have to make a pointer structure pointer. Now let's run the code, and you see the both result 10 and a again. So in the both the way we have passes the structure to a function by using a pass by value or pass by reference. If you have any doubt in the concept or in this video, you can comment below. We will give you the answer as soon as possible, and the code PDF, all the notes will be available in our Telegram channel. Link in the description. You can go and join our Telegram channel, and thank you for watching this video.